Oh. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at the pond right now. It's a windy day, but let's go and get to fishing. Alright, first cast. I really haven't been catching a lot of fish out of the first pond, at least recently. Usually catch them at the second pond. So that's where I'm going to go. I'm just going to go straight to the second pond. I'm not even going to stop at the other side of the first pond. Alright, I'm here at the second pond. If you guys watched my last video, then you know I caught that half blind bass, and he's pretty much a mascot of the channel at this point. So let me know if I should give him a name in the comments, and whatever the best name is wins. Oh, come on, man. That was a nice little bass. I think I still see him. He might actually eat it again. Yep. Yep. I knew he would. Not bad. A little 1 pounder. Maybe a little less than 1 pound. You fucking asshole, bro. Damn. Stabbed me deep as fuck with his things. Alright. Oh, 1.5 pounder. A little bigger than I expected. And it's release time. Nice little bass. Alright, second bass of the day. It's not bad. A little smaller than 1 pounder, but it's alright. Let's get him released. Second bass of the day. About to send him back. Oh! Damn. It's my first time ever catching a bass over here. It's another little 1 pounder. I'm gonna throw him on the scale. Little 1.3 pounder. There he goes. I was wondering where he went. What are y'all using? Just a worm?
Yeah, we're just using these. Are you a YouTuber?
Kind of, yeah. I record a little bit. But, here. Let me, give y'all some of these.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. There. Use these.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Are they gonna catch them?
Yeah, they should. At least on the right day, you know. But so what you do is you just wanna,
Wacky rig them?
yep, just wacky rig them. Best way to do it. I mean, Texas rig works, but I've always had better luck with a wacky.
How do you do a wacky?
So, well, this is kind of a ripped one, right? But all you gotta do is you just take the little worm and you just stick it right through the middle.
Oh.
Yep. And if you don't get a bite, you know, this is what it is. Keep moving.
Big ones work?
They'll work, yeah, but the bass around here don't get that big. The biggest I've caught is a 2.5 pounder so far.
Like
Yeah, that's a long story, but y'all have fun, man. Yeah. Yeah, no problem, man. Good luck. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I caught a few 1-pounders and I helped those kids, you know, gave them a few wacky rigs. It doesn't hurt to be kind every now and then. So try to put some good out into the world. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.